you want to know how to get this beautiful layered cut, let's just go ahead and jump on over to that video right now. But first and foremost, I need to get ready. So I'm going to try all these products on. If you don't want to watch that video, which you probably don't want to watch that video of me trying new products on, putting my makeup on, yada, 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 just click the fast forward. You know, you're looking at me, you're looking at your screen. If you touch your screen to the right, if you're watching on YouTube, just touch the screen to the right. Like in the middle of the screen, it will jump forward so many seconds to get you to the video of me cutting my hair. But let me go ahead and get ready. Then we're going to jump right on over to that video in like 2 seconds. I'll see you guys in a bit. makeup's done. I'm looking at the clock. It took me 32 minutes, which is crazy because that's a long time to do my makeup. Anyways, I'm still very tired, so I'm gonna get some coffee and try to wake up. We're gonna get right to that haircut right now. What would Dolly do? We're doing McCafe horchata latte, horchata. So like I only drink coffee when I'm either having asthma problems or I'm so exhausted that I can't wake up, or I'm so exhausted that I need to wake up. So I'm gonna try this horchata latte. I've never tried it. That's good. I still think it needs a little sugar though. That's good. Tastes like horchata coffee. You know what horchata is? It's a rice-based Mexican drink. And excuse the mess in the background hiding it. We are under construction. Totally off subject, but I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best chicken nuggets in 2 seconds. All you do is get your chicken nuggets and you put a tiny bit of oil on it, and look how they puff up like that. Let me zoom in. You see that? This was flat and dull. Now look at it. I got these like spray canisters or bottles, glass bottles from Amazon, and I just spray a little bit of oil on each one, and I got the spicy oil to give it a little bit of kick, but they puff up. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? Puffy, bigger, fatter, and like crispy. Don't judge. I'm so tired. I cannot cook. And then I got Greek yogurt with ranch powder for the dipping sauce. Plain Greek yogurt. Thick this dip is. You see that? Isn't that awesome? Just yogurt. Greek protein yogurt. This U. That's kind of like what you want is the U. But there you go. Simple, quick, easy, beautiful, layered, and you didn't break the bank. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I love you guys. Mwah. Remember, God loves you. Own yourself. Be authentic. Be yourself. You are an original masterpiece, and that's how God created you to be. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.